Mount Titlis ang aking topic today. Yes. So, pagpunta niyo sa Mount Titlis, ano ba ang dapat nyong malaman? So, ang Mount Titlis is nasa Switzerland. So, part siya ng Uri Alps. Tapos, it could be accessed through Engelberg, yung town niya. Tapos, nandito yung world's first rotating cable car. Yan. Tapos, ito ay ma-access through 3 different stages. Ano ba yung mga different stages na yon? Yung 4,000 feet, 5,000 feet, tsaka 10,000 feet. So, pwede kang bumaba on those stages. Okay, so this is the first cable that we're going to use. This is the entrance of the first level. So, here's our...
Yes.
It's faster this time, but that's how it is. Oh my god.
Have you been already here?
Yeah.
Me, this is my second time.
Good.
How about you? How many times have you been in
Two
this?
times.
Gobyerno.
2 times?
Before the corona, yes.
Yes!
You cannot see animals here.
Why?
In winter, maybe when there is snow, you can see something.
So this is not of use.
Not here.
What?
Spain.
Yeah, in Germany.
Oh, in Germany,
Yeah.
which city?
Sorry?
Do you have friends?
In this city in Darmstadt.
Darmstadt.
Yeah, if you have friends, single girl.
Germany is nice. Company.
Because we were, this morning I was asked, what group? What group? So I go, Balkans, Amores.
Yeah.
Produce good milk.
So how high is this?
First one,
10,000.
First level?
996, then 1,200, then 2,006, and 3,000.
In meters.
Yes, meters. On the summit, 10,000 feet.
Yeah, 10,000 or 10,000.
On the summit, the highest point is almost 10,000.
Wow.
Come again, what is the highest?
10,000.
10,000.
This is
What's-
1,000.
Yeah, the first one, yes.
First. Oh.
Just an access, diba? You told us
Oh, you
that
can
this
go out here, yes, but then it's a problem
Like a viewpoint.
to gather everybody. Then it's gonna be big problem.
Oh, it's cold already.
Up, it was 3 degrees when I was taking the tickets.
So, sabi ko nga,
Wow.
they're not sure nung nakapag-attire.
So, outfit. Tapos, ang kailangan, ano ka ha, well dressed. Sa umpisa, pag-akit pa lang kayo, medyo mainit pa siya, medyo. Pero, I suggest layering. So, ako, my first layer was a long sleeve na cashmere. Then, the second layer is parang mayroon akong vest. Tapos, yung aking third layer is yung coat. Yung coat ko. That's just the way I am ha. Pero pwede naman t-shirt lang. Tapos, yung mga panlamig nyo na jacket. Tapos, nag-bring din ako ng aking mittens. Tapos, dapat meron din kayo sa ulo. Lamigin ako, guys, ha. Tapos, meron mga neck muffler, ganyan. Tapos, ito very important to. Kasi, di ba, pagkagaya, usually, naka-rubber shoes ka. You don't have to buy shoes para sa snow. Ako, bumili lang ako nung, ang tawag doon, snow clit. Parang ikinakabit siya sa rubber shoe. So, it's in small, medium, large. Magandang meron kayo nun kasi talagang naging very effective siya for me. Kasi ako dapain ako eh. So, kung wala siguro ako nun, baka nalaglag-laglag na ako, diba? Pero, diba, madadapa ka daw in style, diba? Dadapa ako eh, sa Mount Titlis. Pero wag na nating i-wish sa ating mga sarili yan kasi very traumatic. So, yun.
Wow.
Oh my!
Yan na, hello na, oh, going near.
You should have gotten enrolled the last train. You just,
Yeah, but still, I cannot check if somebody goes out.
yeah.
There's the road.
Oh, glacier.
There's... What road is that?
It's a lake.
It's a lake. That's
My
the
first ride with the
lake.
cable car, it was in Stansenford.
I am the godmother. Because I asked for too much discounts. They warned Oliver, be warned. She's the crime boss. So, stop muna daw yung company nila to conduct tours. After nung amin, kami na yung last. For 2 months daw, they will rest. Because it's too hot. You don't know what's hot in Europe, sabi niya. Sabi ko, try us.
Well, he managed to survive for 20 years.
Survivor. 20 years. The survivor. The survivor of the marriage. Look at that.
This is
It's
big,
melting.
big problem now.
Melting.
Why?
Why is it the
Because
problem?
it goes to the rivers and they have extreme water, too much water, you know.
Ah,
So
floods.
Yes.
Ah,
Because of the
it
climate
flooded in
change.
Germany the other day.
I know.
Climate changes, that's it.
Not the other day. It started a week ago.
Kaya
with
who's choosing our hotels? You, the BDMC, your company?
I don't have a clue.
That's the road air. So it houses around
50 bucks.
50 bucks.
Ay, kaso, isa lang.
Ayan na po yung yellow. So, pag nandun na kayo sa pinaka, yung last stop nung cable car, nung rotating cable car. By the way, ang laman nun ay 50 people. So, ganun siya kalaki. Pero yung mga initial na mga cable car na sasakyan, mula dun sa umpisa hanggang dun sa, before makarating dun sa rotating cable car, ang capacity lang nun 6. So, ano siya? Clear glass. So, makikita mo kung ano yung nasa labas. So, pagdating nyo dun sa pinaka, yun na yung last stop ng cable car, meron kang kasi dadaanan mo talaga eh. Ang tawag nila dun, illuminated glacier cave. So, may mga, parang mga nakalagay sa may mga igloo, tapos meron dun parang throne ng ice, tapos basta mga pang mga selfie. So, hindi na kami masyadong nag-spend ng time doon. Medyo careful lang kayo kasi medyo madulas na yung floor nito. Dapat ako kasi hindi ko pa sinuot yung aking snow cleat. So, kaya dahan-dahan pa ako. So, okay na maging dahan-dahan kaysa naman 'di ba madapa tayo diyan. Tapos nandun din yung mga may mga souvenir shops doon. Trip tip. Yung binili ko na yung Victorinox na Swiss knife, parang mas mura yung nasa Titlis than nung bumaba ako sa Lucerne. Pagkatapos pero yung mga kagaya yung mga cups, yung mga pang-inom, minabili kasi ako na parang camping cup. Parang 12 Swiss francs doon. Tapos sa baba, parang 8. So, medyo nasada ko ng konti. Pero sige na, kasi hindi mo naman alam kung meron sa baba, di ba? Nung magugustuhan mo. So, doon na rin kami bumili mga t-shirts, caps, ganyan. So, it's not every day na you would go there, di ba? So, go ka na. Buy mo na yan. Splurge ka na. This is the glacier cave. Sobrang madulas. Dapat pala
Paticini che sa ubia. Hindi mo sinuot yung ano mo. So, paticini.
Mamaya.
ปล่อยถ่ายไหมปล่อยไหมเอาไหมเอาไหม
Oh my God. Yan na. Wala ng tao. Tapos, dito din sa Titlis, ang Titlis Cliff Walk na ito daw ay isa sa mga the highest elevation na suspension bridge sa Europe. Inopen to noong December 2012 na nagbibigay sa iyo ng grand view of the Swiss Alps. We're going to the Ice Flyer Cliff Walk. 250 steps. Walking up. Ganda, di ba? O, tignan nyo. Oh, tama. May outfit.
Small steps.
Hindi, meron akong ano sa shoes eh. Titlis! Ah! So init. So init. Grabe.
Unahin mo yung...
Scary.
Unahin mo yung... Heel.
Yeah. So ayan, dapat meron kayong snow grip. Kinakabit lang yun sa rubber shoes. So una daw heel. Okay. Kabila daw. Actually, walang dulas ako nararamdaman, Liv. Sobrang galing. This is the best purchase. Ay, I've seen. Oh. Ang tao, di ba? O pero ito, kailangan nakita.
Gamay.
Thank you.
Iiga ko makatingin. Sino na sa okay?
Ngayon may ikot na tayo. Hindi na tayo sa direction where we're heading. Now,
Why?
because this is a Rota Air. So we're now heading dun sa direction where we came from. Anong ikot kaya? It's like the 360 restaurant.
Yeah.
May ikot ba yun?
Actually, there's a ride using the funicular for you to view that. They call that
To view ba?
Nordic. The whole of
Pero hindi dun sa lugar na yon.
hindi yun. Yung iba nga nagbabayad, tayo hindi nagbayad.
I have one like that, but it's red. Exactly the same.
The common
Exactly.
color.
Exactly
The
the
signature
same.
color.
The classic one.
Hindi, sige na.
Parang Lindor. Classic. Hindi, kaya nga ikaw, limited edition. Ako, the classic.
O ano yung enamel?
Bakal. Pang-camping, nakaka-carabiner. Pang-camping talaga.
Hindi ko kaya makita si Edward dito. Yung naglilipat-lipat ng mga puno.
Diba? So, for me, okay siya to visit. Kami parang a few hours lang yung binigay sa amin. Pero we totally enjoyed it. Kasi, nung nandun na kami sa taas, 3 degrees na nga siya, diba? So, yung masarap lang ma-experience na parang, nanginginig ka na sa lamig, diba? Tapos, ayun. So, ayun, kaya ako ay suggest layering kasi, so, pagbaba nyo ulit, by the way, pwede kayong kumain doon, meron doon mga restaurants. Pagbaba nyo, syempre, painit na naman ang painit. So, ang gagawin mo, tanggal ka na lang ng tanggal. O, tanggalin mo yung coat, tanggalin mo yung ano. So, para hindi rin siya yung ginaw na ginaw ka o init na init ka, 'di ba? By the way, yung mga cable cars na yon na sasakyan nyo, yung pang-animan, ano yan pwede yung, kasi medyo mainit, 'di ba? Kasi enclosed meron yung mga parang mga window na pwede yung i-open sa taas para pumasok naman yung hangin. Tapos meron din part ng isa sa mga levels ng Titlis, ando naman yung lake na pwede rin naman kayong bumaba at mag-visit nung lake na yon. Depende kung ano yung kung meron pa kayong oras, ganun. So, yun lang. Salamat. Pero talagang yung Titlis it's one of those places na you would want to go to when you are in Switzerland, diba? So, ano pa ba naman ang Switzerland kung walang Alps, diba? Parang ganun lang naman yun. So, pagka nandito kayo sa Switzerland, do come visit Mount Titlis. Thank you, everyone. See you on my next vlog.